The Prospecting Expert is bringing you ideas that inspire, encourage, and empower you to attract more prospects, retain more clients, drive more sales.
Well, hello and welcome. My name is Steve Kloyda, the Prospecting Expert. I am so excited to be a part of NAFA's annual conference in New Orleans this October. I would like to invite you to participate in my session, The Art of Prospecting, your guide to get in the door, on Saturday, October 3rd at 1:30 p.m. Let's face it, nothing happens until you get in front of a prospect or a customer, and getting their attention is the single biggest challenge that we all face. Does the thought of prospecting leave you overwhelmed and exhausted? Have you been told that you should prospect, but you don't know where to start? That will change in minutes once you meet Hector the prospector and explore why he consistently gets the gold. Now, during my Power Pack session, I will show you how to expand your sales pipeline with 6 proven strategies. Avoid the gatekeeper trap that most advisors fall into. Maximize the prospecting tools for the 21st century. Remove your fear of prospecting and why you experience call reluctance. Increase each sales opportunity with the ABCs when working with objections. Expand the number of sales opportunities using social media. Create a prospecting calendar that keeps you focused and on track, plus so much more. I'm going to share with you my top sales tactics that I have developed, implemented, refined, and personally tested with over 1 million, yes, that's 1 million sales and prospecting calls, plus 30 years of experience. This is one session you will not want to miss. I look forward to seeing you in New Orleans on Saturday, October 3rd at 1:30 p.m. for my session, The Art of Prospecting, your guide to get in the door. Make it a great day.